Hey guys, Matt Hoots here, and I've got a prime example of how the InsoFast outsulation bracket system works. So you've got the zip system underneath, so this is your primary WRB. Then you've got the insulation on the outside. Well, a lot of times, say if you're looking at this is probably the comfort bat. All right, so the benefit of this is if you're using the outsulation, typical insulation that you're supposed to use out here, using comfort board or using something that's a little bit more rigid than this. This is basically the stuff that usually goes inside the walls. So you've got this bracket system that goes on, you stick the softer inside insulation on the outside, then you put another WRB on top of that. So that protects this from getting wet. Again, this is water resistant, it's moisture resistant. It's got a mineral wool baked into it so water can't get off of it. But what's nice about that is, like, instead of furring strips, you're able to use these 2x4s, goes on top of the InsoFast, and then you can basically allow this to dry out. These are your furring strips. You've got this is your primary rain screen. Then you can put the siding right on top of this. So again, monopoly framing, just like Matt Risinger likes to do. And then you've got the InsoFast, and you've got continuous insulation. So you've got the insulation on the roof, you're gonna have insulation right here, and it's gonna go all the way down the wall. That way you have a continuous layer of thermal protection all the way around your house. All right, so with this, you've got the different thicknesses. You've got a 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch, and basically this is 2-inch increments, just like the insulation that you can put inside the wall lines up perfectly with that. That way you can meet the requirements for your particular climate zone. Hey, if you got value out of this, we've got full coverage from this year's show. Check out our tours of the New American Home, the New American Remodel, and all of our interviews from the show floor. For your convenience, all the playlists are right here. Don't forget to subscribe, since we've got more coming.